Ever forget to water your plants and come back to a crispy mess? I've been there. But what if I told you there are plants that thrive on your forgetfulness? Yep, these beauties actually prefer a little neglect. Let's dig into 7 stunning, low-maintenance bloomers that won't guilt-trip you for skipping a watering day. Or 3. Sedum, or stonecrop, is the plant version of your chillest friend. It doesn't care where it lives – rocky soil, clay, or even a forgotten corner of your garden. With its thick, juicy leaves and starry blooms, sedum is a true survivor. One summer, I planted some sedum in a shallow pot on my back porch, and then promptly forgot about it. 2 weeks later, still alive, still blooming, still thriving. I call that a win. Most varieties are perennial in USDA zones 3 through 9, which means they'll come back every year with minimal effort. Just give them sun, well-draining soil, and your bare minimum energy. Lavender isn't just pretty, it's practically indestructible. Native to the Mediterranean, this fragrant herb is used to hot sun and dry roots. In fact, it hates wet feet, so neglect actually works in your favor. I remember visiting a garden in Arizona where lavender grew like weeds between gravel paths. The scent followed you with every step, and not a sprinkler in sight. If you're in zones 5 to 9, you can grow lavender as a perennial. It's not only drought-tolerant, but it also attracts pollinators and repels mosquitoes. Plus, who doesn't love a bouquet of homegrown lavender? Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is the show-off in the drought-tolerant club. This little annual bursts with vibrant, rose-like blooms in neon pinks, yellows, and oranges, even in the hottest, driest spots. I once tucked Portulaca into a terracotta pot on a sunny windowsill, where it got baked by afternoon sun. It didn't just survive. It threw a flower party every day, like it was proud of the challenge. It's perfect for USDA zones 2 to 11 as an annual. If you've got a dry patio or a balcony garden, Portulaca is your color bomb with zero drama. Zinnias are the ultimate feel-good flower, bright, cheerful, and ridiculously easy. They're heat lovers that don't flinch when rain clouds stay away for weeks. A couple of summers ago, I sprinkled zinnia seeds in a container, gave them one solid watering, and forgot about them. They still popped up, bloomed, and turned into a wild jungle of color. You can grow zinnias as annuals in zones 2 through 11. And bonus, they're cut flower champs. Snip a few, and they keep on blooming all season long. Also known as blanket flower, Gaillardia brings a wild prairie look to your garden. The red and yellow blooms look like they're on fire, and their tolerance for heat and drought is just as intense. I grew Gaillardia in a border that I completely neglected one summer. Guess which plant was still standing tall while everything else drooped? Yep, the one that looked like a summer sunset. It's hardy in zones 3 through 10 and blooms non-stop from early summer until frost. Even better, it's deer-resistant and pollinator-friendly. Russian sage is the graceful diva of drought tolerance. With silvery foliage and spires of lavender blue flowers, it adds elegance to any dry garden space. A friend planted it in gravel, no irrigation, and full sun, and it still looked dreamy, like a cloud of purple mist. It's the kind of plant that looks high maintenance, but isn't. Perennial in zones 4 through 9, Russian sage is a great anchor plant for hot, dry borders. It handles neglect like a pro, and bonus, it smells amazing. If plants had a gym playlist, Lantana would be blasting power anthems. This tropical native pumps out clusters of neon-colored flowers, even in blazing heat and bone-dry soil. When I first tried Lantana in a container, I gave it a splash of water once a week. Tops. And it still flowered non-stop, like it had something to prove. Lantana is perennial in zones 8 to 11, but often grown as an annual elsewhere. Butterflies love it, deer avoid it, and it just keeps blooming like it's in a floral marathon. So, if you've got a hectic schedule, a forgetful brain, or just a low-maintenance vibe, these plants are for you. They're tough, beautiful, and totally forgiving. Whether you're planting in containers, borders, or rocky corners, you don't need a green thumb, just the right plant. Let them handle the stress while you enjoy the blooms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow forgetful gardener. Tell me in the comments, which plant will you try this season?